How to download and install BlueStacks 5. So if you want to download and install BlueStacks 5, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And once you have a stable internet connection, you need to just simply go with your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search and search for BlueStacks 5. Now, after searching for BlueStacks 5, we need to just simply click on the first option, which is www.bluestacks.com. And you will have the download BlueStacks option on the top, or on the bottom left, you need to just simply click on the download section. Once you click on download, it will start the downloading process. It might take a few seconds, so just wait, and then you need to go with the download section. And once the file has been downloaded, you need to double click on that BlueStacks file. Once you double click, you need to click on yes, and then go with agree and update, and it will start the downloading process. Once the download has been completed, your BlueStacks will be right there on your PC. That's it. That's how you can download and install BlueStacks 5. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.